If you're looking for how to create food images on Leonardo AI, this is the right video for you. So the first thing you have to do is to go to Leonardo AI and scroll to the community creations. And why I like to do this is because it gives me a better view of what the software can create and the latest creations. All you have to do is to scroll. We can see this section that provides you with different categories to choose from. Scroll to the food section and click on food. Now it would give us a variety of the creations other community members have created over time, and you can create or choose from them. This is just very beautiful. Now if I want to create an image similar to any of this, all I have to do is to click on the image and either copy the prompt or click on the remix button, which will take me to a page where I can remix this prompt to be my own, or tailor the prompt to what I want it to be. But this community creations offers you a very good overview of all the characters you can create with food or everything food related. Now this is beautiful. So this is how to create very realistic food images with Leonardo AI. Thank you very much and do have a great day.